this is the fire ant colony. They're taking my dog's food.
Oh no.
That's why I'm trying to kill them because they're super dangerous. I just want their
Hi,
food.
Nia. Oh, you're pregnant?
I'm gonna show you for today. I'm gonna attract these ants into this box.
Oh.
But not gonna be easy.
Hi, Chichay.
You're getting smart.
Yes, charcoal inside.
These ants they have the super hard sting. This will hurt you for a long time. Don't eat that.
He's hungry.
He's gonna eat the ants and he's gonna get sting
Oh no.
by the throat.
Bye-bye, Nia. Bye-bye, Pachi. Oh, they know their name. Bye-bye, Josh.
Bye.